If you want to lose weight fast and keep it off, follow these simple steps. First, drink more water. It keeps you full and boosts your metabolism. Next, get moving. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise a day. It doesn't have to be intense. Just keep active. Eat smart. Fill half your plate with veggies and fruits. Choose lean proteins and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Sleep well. Lack of sleep messes with your hormones and makes you hungry. Aim for 7-8 hours a night. Stay consistent. Make small changes and stick with them. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Support yourself. Find a workout buddy or join a community. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. And there you have it. Simple and effective tips to shed pounds fast and keep them off. You've got this. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website, richardmante.com, and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Thank you for watching.